And Grandma. And Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Okay, what did you get for Easter?
I have eggs.
Can we see the eggs? Let's see the eggs. Are you going to count the eggs? How many eggs did you get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops. I didn't have them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, can you count all those eggs in Spanish? Good. Did you get anything else for Easter?
Easter bunny.
You got an Easter bunny. What's the Easter bunny's name?
Let's do it. His name. Rory.
What's his name?
Rory.
Rory?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's a good name. And what else did you get for Easter? Oh, is that a pretty Easter egg with flowers?
Yeah.
Wow. You're a lucky girl.
Yeah.
Are you a lucky girl? Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye. Can you say bye in Spanish?
I know, don't bye.
Okay.